Hi guys, I am Hitesh. Today I'm here with this product which is a smart content profit. So you can see, okay, just because of this name, you can imagine what problem this product will solve. Actually, this is for affiliate marketer, freelancer, service provider, blogger, social media marketer, content marketer. Okay, remember this all things. This all type of people can take benefit out of this product. Like, okay, and how we will take benefit out of this product, we will discuss each and everything here because this is member access area of this smart content profit. So we will go through each and every this features and later so that you can decide you have to go ahead with this or not. So this is going to fit for not. We will discuss each and everything. So this is for all this type of the people which are working in this different categories and industries. So how you can take benefit out of it because this will solve your content writing problems. It will save your time. It will reduce your hard work. It will save your energies and something like that. Just because of this product, you will increase your speed of writing content. Okay, you can create multiple websites also because you don't need hostings and all because this is super fast hosting provider for you. So just you have to attach your domain name. Okay, and hosting for hosting you don't care about that. Okay, I'm not sure about domain name. Okay, it maybe you need to buy or it maybe you need to don't you not need to buy. So we will discuss inside this. Okay, so we will now I'm going to just show you how to work in this product and how it will be useful for this all type of the people for writing contents and something like that, and you can just monetize your websites also. Okay, so we will see how to do that. So this is member access area, so I'm not going with this all things. I'm just clicking on let me show you what is it actually. This is sign up button, sorry, logout button, and this notification I think. So I'm just clicking on this. Okay, so same thing. Okay, so here is step one, create your site. Step two, create and automate your content. It is about blogging and writing content, something like that. Okay, and it is about monetize your site. So this is the main point. Okay, because just because of this tool, you will earn from two different source. First one from monetization because you will show some ads to add some ads to your visitors and all, and they will if click on your advertisement all, so you will earn from there from that source. Second, you can do some online selling on online marketing, something like that, affiliate marketing, CP offer. Okay, so just how you can create two to three source of income just because of this tool. So I'm not going to view this because this is not important part. So let's click on this button so that we will see what will come in front of your domain. So I'm giving a domain name puppy.com, username. Okay, username is puppy. Password I'm putting 123. Okay, name. Okay, pause. Description. Buy animal items from me only in the world. Okay, animal items from me only in the world. Okay, so just remember all these details so that if we need search something about our website and all, so we may need this all these things. So I'm just going to save this. Okay, and save. So let's see what is in the step two, available content and something like that. Okay, so term required image, no image. Term is puppy. From last 24 hours, guys, this will be amazing because from last 24 hours it will actually it wait guys, wait, it will take different contents from latest posts, okay, who are writing blog and all, something like that, and it will fresh for you. I don't know about a rewriter, okay, and spinning, okay, because if you need some app, so just because of API key, just with the help of API key you can add here. And if this tool is providing that service, so you don't need to pay because if you don't know how much people are paying just for spinning article, just for rewriting article, I will tell you, spin rewriter. Okay, so that you will know how much people are paying just for spinning and rewriting the content of others. So it will be new fresh content. Okay, so let me show you spin rewriter pricing. I'm clicking on this. Okay, till then we will discuss here. This is my page, guys. Actually, I will show you later what bonuses I'm coming with this time. So I'm going for puppy. Date is present. Okay, whatever source. Dog training USA. Let me leave it. Okay, minimum word count, guys. Minimum word count should be 1,000 word, because you can see, guys, spin rewriter. Okay, guys, see. Okay, just for rewriting your content, just for spinning your content, how much you have to pay, guys? Okay, or everything is in front of you, guys. Okay, see and understand the value. Okay, $77 every year. Annually you have to pay. See, monthly payment you have to do. Single payment, this will be for lifetime, but this is too much for you. Okay, in starting. But if you are looking to create your complete career and future only in writing industry, just like blogging, content writing, something like that, so that you can go ahead with this. Okay, otherwise you don't need to go ahead with this. For you can go for 1 year only. Okay, in 1 year you can easily analyze your progress and your future, and you can decide what you have to do later. Okay, so no, I'm just going to search. So let's see what will come. Just waiting, guys. Okay, so I'm not watching, I'm not seeing here any type of a rewriting tool and something like that. So if it will be needed, so it will tell us. Okay, something like this tool. Okay, so don't go for this. Okay, there are some cheap options are available. Okay, cheap alternatives are available. I will show you later those all things, but first of all we need to watch this. Okay, I think I counted here much. Okay, I should do for 100 or 200 words in starting. Later we can go ahead with more number, but if it will take more time, so we will go ahead, guys. Okay, we will leave it here. So this is taking too much time, guys. So let me open this in new so that it will be work fine. So I just click on here, guys, get started. So let's see. Okay, this is same thing is coming again. My what was my name which I kept here? I think puppy or pawn, or let me see. No, my name is not here. I think description domain. I'm just searching, guys. I'm just watching my name is coming here or not. So just by using domain and all. Okay, so I just kept domain for example purpose. Okay, so you need to decide, you need to confirm, you have to go with. Okay, still is working, guys. Still you have to go with your domain and how much how to do this all these things. Let me show you and let me confirm first, guys, because it is loading still. Okay, so till then we should go ahead with this, because get started is same like that. Okay, so this is again same thing here. So if I will create on this same thing, I already did this. So this time, okay, let me show you tutorials. What is inside tutorials? How many videos are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos are available, guys. Last one is 32-second video, I think, guys. 1 minute video, 1 minute video. Okay, how to monetize your sites, something like that. Connecting and setting up your social accounts. Okay, using different content sources. Okay, like something like RSS feed and all Google alerts. I will show you guys how to do that here. Okay, where here I will show you how to do that. Okay, how to take alert, how to take RSS feed from alerts and from different websites and all. This is auto posting, guys. You can auto post on your WordPress website and in different social media also, something like that. And this is setting up your content, your site. This is content setting, simple, guys. Getting started. Too much small videos are here, guys. Okay, 2 minute videos only. 1 minute videos, again 1 minute, and this is 1 minute. Last one is 32 second. Okay, and this in 7 videos tutorials you will complete your training. Okay, so it is, I think it is pretty simple, guys. Okay, okay, so I should create one more website, I think. Okay, so that it will be, okay, it will be too much easy for you this time. I'm going with, this time I'm going with simple thing, fashion, so that it will be very easy for you. Username is please point this domain to this before you proceed. Okay, I need to point this domain on this IP address, and how to do that. I think you should go with tutorial, guys. Okay, DNS configuration. I'm just going to. Okay, okay, guys. So this is saying you need domain, guys. Okay, so that you can point your domain name here by DNS configuration. Okay, from GoDaddy, Namecheap, whatever. You have to connect that domain with this. Okay, and later it will be working for you. Okay, so let's see this type of website. So I will try to showing you something from this website. So let me show you Apple and all this apple.com. Why this apple.com, what is doing here? Okay, no worry, but let me show you something from here. Okay, domain, and this is normal thing. What is this actually? Open ads, download details, what I will do by downloading details and all. So delete and all, everything we can do from here, but this is not our target. Our target is how it is beneficial for us. That is I want to know, and I want to show you guys. So let's leave this, guys. It is still working. So this is tutorial support. Okay, let's finish some these points. Okay, but before that, I'm not satisfied with something new thing. So let me, okay, let me try again, guys. Question. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Name is 1 2 3 again. Description is nothing. Okay, which theme are available here? Some themes are available, guys, for you. This is WordPress theme. You can see here 2020 and something like that. So if you choose any one out of them, so your appearance of your website will look like this theme. Okay, so actually I have already one my websites. Okay, I have Hast theme. Okay, so let me show you, guys. Let me show you. I made this on central. I made this on WordPress. Okay, so you can actually, you will get some idea by watching this one. I am also working on Blogger. I have one website. Actually, I am writing blogs on Blogger also. This is also a blogging website, guys. Okay, I'm using two languages. One is English and another one is my local language. You can see here. Okay, so if you click, these are some categories. Okay, so on this topic, I generally write reviews and something like that. So this is not our main topic, guys. So for example, I am choosing this one. Okay, this one I'm choosing. Choose, save. Okay, I create and automate your content. Okay, let's click here. Here is still, I think it's still loading. Actually, it is not in working phase right now. So term will be fashion. Select option. Minimum word count is only 100, guys, because our target is to see how it is working actually. What is this? Okay, but okay, because I'm not clicking, guys, on this button because it will be something like that. Okay, so I'm just trying to take something from this. Okay, just for showing you guys. Okay, so that I'm just clicking on this. Account is Wanky. Okay, WordPress account. WordPress, please put your WordPress connected, keep your WordPress connected with this. Okay, because on this page I already told you. Okay, here find all necessary plugins and all something like that. Okay, and then hope that one plugin does not interfere with another plugin. Make sure everything is secure and all. Make sure all permissions are correct. Okay, so before connecting your website with this tool, you have to keep you have to take care about this all these things. Okay, so just because of that, I'm telling you, you have these characters are remaining. Yankees categories. How many categories are there? Uncategorized. Okay, no worry. and directly you can share here. Directly you can share on this platform. You can see on Facebook. You need to connect all this platform, guys. Okay, then it will be possible. Okay, Twitter, Tumblr. I don't know what is this. This is Pinterest, Reddit, LinkedIn. This is pinned, and this is mail. So what will happen? You will start getting something traffic. Okay, guys. So you can schedule from here and you can just publish right now directly. Okay, so you can schedule. Okay, guys, people are even paying for scheduling. Okay, I told you much times. Okay, I told you much time. You can go for Hootsuite, you can go for Publer, and you will see there people are paying for just for scheduling post. Okay, because they don't have time to work on daily basis. Okay, just because of this tool, you also don't need to work on daily basis. Okay, on Sunday, on Saturday, anytime on weekend, just work for 2 3 hours. Okay, select some 5 to 7 blocks. Okay, schedule them. Okay, schedule them for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, something like that, and it will be post automatic. Okay, so so what will happen? Your regularity will be your consistency will be maintained. Okay, so I'm just going to click on publish. So I did that. Where I can see my result. I should see this result on my dashboard. Here, I think name was fashion, something like that. Okay, something like that. Hmm. Tutorials. Okay, this you will need tutorials guys too much. Okay, so let it finish because it may be in running phase still. So just check this autoresponder. Okay, minimum 1,000 word count, 30 30. This okay, someone used this one. So how it will work? Okay, guys, just check. Create auto poster. Term should be blog is wanky. Term is question, something like that. Minimum word count is 100 only. Post one post per day. Schedule posting, yes, you can schedule. Require image, if you want image, you can just click on this. Okay, you can schedule from clicking on this at any time. Okay, something like this. Okay, so I'm just removing this one. I'm just saving this right now. So you can see this is fashion. Okay, so our autoresponder is good, guys. Okay, I didn't put my image. It's okay. So you can just view your post. So let's see how it will look like. Nothing like data and all. So no worry. You can when you will put your data and something like that. So it will be shown you. Okay, minimum workout and something like that. Before we already did try to did all these things. Okay, but no worry, you will learn all these things with time because it may be actually this product is not launched yet. It will launch at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, till then all function will be applicable and will work very highly level. So blogs is okay. Some blogs, if you posted on your WordPress, so they will look here. They will appear here. So if you start posting from here by using automation, okay, so that how many blogs are posted and how many are remaining, you can see here which are posted, something like that. Social accounts, you have to import some your social accounts. Okay, so create social account. Let me see. Yes, see, you can link all these things which I already shown you before here at the time of website creation. So when you link all these things, when you import all these accounts with your this tool, so you can directly share here by clicking on one button. Okay, actually I don't create too much blog, guys. Okay, when I did some work on YouTube on different platforms, I generally share all those things here. Okay, just like that. So my some backlinks I can create. Okay, so why you have to create some social accounts? Because you can create some backlinks. Okay, you can create when you will create some backlinks, you will start getting some good traffic. Okay, calendar for maybe for scheduling and all. Okay, for watching what you posted or something like that, and what will be posted in future, something like that. Okay, this type of calendar you will be able to see in Hootsuite, in Publer, okay, something like that. Some that type of the inside some that type of the tools, because they are scheduling tools. Okay, so here also you are able to do all these things. You don't have to pay month by month. Okay, because in Hootsuite and Publer you have to pay monthly. Now this is content, guys. So let's click on this and let's see what will happen. Requirements. Okay, this is same which we were watching here, but okay, let's see affiliate marketing 3 months. So nothing. Select option, for example, technology. Minimum word count is 50. I'm going to search this one. So let's see what will come right now. Right now, it's still loading, guys, and it's still, I think source is not working, maybe something like that. Guys, always try to learn from tutorials. Okay, why I'm not able to showing you each and everything perfectly, because I generally come without preparation. Okay, because I want to show you what button is what, which button is doing what for you. Okay, that is my purpose, guys. Okay, so in tutorials, after grabbing this easily, and already you will learn all these things. Okay, so that is not the main point. The main point is what benefits and what type of the profit you can make from here. That is the main point. Okay, I'm not here to teach you do this, click on this button and it will happen, then you will do like this and all this and those. Okay, but I always try to do that again. But my main target is always what are the benefits you are going to get. So this is content you can just create by using this type of the things and options. So this is guy RSS feed. You can take some RSS feed from Google also. Let's create some RSS feed and see what will happen. So how to create, guys, RSS feed from Google Alerts? I'm just showing you right now. Put name, for example, I'm using luxury. Okay, I don't have link. So what I will do, I will create some RSS feed from Google. So how to do that? Come to the Google, type alert. Okay, guys, when you type alert, click. Sorry guys, not alert, you have to type alerts. Okay, I left S. Okay, you don't need to do that. Click on this, on first link you can see. Okay, let it load, guys, give it a time. Okay, so what I selected here, let me show you guys. I selected here luxury. So what does it mean? It means I'm looking for content or posts which is related to luxury. So what I will do here, I will put luxury. I will try to create alerts. So guys, don't put your email because it will take too much time. Come here, see show option, come here. Okay, and you have to do all result and all these things, something like that. Sorry guys, just give me 1 minute because I didn't sign in my this account. Okay, so give me 1 minute only. I'm doing this. Okay guys, so I'm just it's my login. So right now I'm just looking for luxury, which I already shown you. This is create alert, but before that, you have to choose RSS feed, guys. Okay, don't go with this, okay, because it will take too much time. Go with RSS feed. So directly you can take from now, from this page, this post and blog related to this luxury. Okay, so I'm just going to create alert. So just click on this. You can see, guys, this is luxury. What you have to do, just click on this button. Don't click here and here, something like that. Just click on this button, right click. Okay, right click, copy link address, copy link address, come here, put your link address here and just save it. Okay guys, so you can see. Okay, so this is from Google Alerts. Okay, same thing you can do with normal websites. Okay, which website which have content, which have posts, which have something like blogs on their website. Okay, not another thing. So for example, I'm going for luxury. Okay, I'm just searching about this. So let's see what will come in front of us. So this is coming. This is about dictionary. So I'm not going with this because this is other website. Okay, I'm not looking for this. I'm just looking for again dictionary and definition and something like that. I'm just leaving this one, okay guys, because I'm not looking for this. Okay, this one may be for me. Okay, Oxford Dictionary again. Why this dictionary type of things are coming in front of me? Just go for second number page, okay guys. Okay, give time guys. Okay, then only you can learn. Okay, don't go for Wikipedia. Okay, don't go for copy and from Wikipedia and all. So I'm just going to click on this guys because it will take too much time. So when you click on this, okay, when you have what you have to do, you have to just copy or complete link from here. Okay, so I'm not able to show you link, but I'm just copying this. Okay, on Notepad, I'm just going to paste so that you can see. See guys, okay, I pasted this one. So what I will do, I will copy this. Okay, I'm just clicking, I'm just canceling this. What you will do, you will come here again, you will create RSS feed, give it a name again, because I already give this name, so I'm putting something different names. And this is website guys. If this website will have any feed, any blog, any post, then only you can take some lines and some content out of that. Okay, otherwise you will be not be able. Okay, same thing will be with Google Alerts. Okay, which I already told you how to take RSS feed. Okay, so I'm just saving guys this one again, like with name of luxury one. You can see on after saving, you can see here. Okay, so this type of RSS feed, what actually what is the use of this? Okay, from this type of websites, you can take some contents, not complete contents, some contents you can take out of them. You can just rewrite them by using rewriter tools and all. Okay, which I already shown you, and you can see here on the web on your page in front of you. So just by using this type of the tools, you can rewrite them, you can just spin them, and the fresh content will come out in front of you. Okay, guys. Okay, so something like that, you will create fresh content. If you don't have time and you though you are not a writer, okay, still if you want to do blogging, something like that. So this method generally people are using right now. Okay, I used this before, but I left this right now because I started writing by my own. Okay, so I'm frankly telling you. Okay, but if you don't have complete time, if you don't have side hustle time and or something like that, so you can do this because you are not using others content, you are just modeling it. Okay, because if two news websites are coming with same news on Google, then how it will be happen? Two news content will collaborate and not collaborate, they will conflict each other, right? Okay, so Google should ban that content, right? But Google does not do this. Okay, why? Because both are coming with same news, but they are modeling according to them. So what you have to do, you have to model others content by using these tools, and also that you will be able to post them on your website. Okay, something like that. So this RSS feed is a big topic, guys. You are getting this option inside this tool, that is very pretty good thing. So this is content. Actually, I as per my knowledge, I discussed each and every features with you. This is autoresponder, I told you everything. Okay, this may be in again in working phase, not in complete working phase. That's why you are not able to see this thing, which is already loading right now, because I put 1,000 words, and guys, 1,000 words are too much big number for content writer and all, because it takes generally too much hard work to write 1,000 words, guys. Okay, if you are already in blogging, in writing industry, so you can understand these things. That is why this is taking time, because this tool is going to create fresh content for you. Okay, guys, I already mentioned on my page. Okay, if I did not mention, no worry, you can go it on same this page by clicking on that yellow button on my page, and also you are going to get some bonuses. Okay, but trust guys, this content tool is good. Okay, if it will be in working condition, so that you will see the features and applications and benefit of this. Okay, so guys, after clicking on that button, you will come on this page, and on this page you will understand each and everything. Okay, highly profit with automatically updating content in just minute. Okay, how it will automatically update, I already told you, okay, by spin writing, by spinning, by rescheduling, it may be, okay, and by fresh content, it may be it will do this all these things automatically. Okay, it maybe you don't need because till now it didn't told us to go and buy some rewriting tool and come again and put your APIs and connect that tool with me. This product is not telling like this till the end. Okay, so if this product is able to spin content automatically, then this is very good for you. Why? Because you are already saving this much money. Okay, you are already saving this much money, energy, hard work already you are saving, and you for scheduling many people just generally pay for hub Hootsuite and something like Publer and something like that just for scheduling. Again, you are going to saving your money there. Okay, so all these things you are saving just because of this tool. You can auto poster. Okay, you can maintain consistency just because of this. You can use social accounts just for creating backlinks because if you create backlinks so much, okay, your content will be up, okay, on the Google page in the searching, something like that. Okay, so I hope you are getting my point. So this is the thing, guys. Okay, now later you can decide you have to go ahead with this or not. Okay, if something left from my side, you can put your doubt in comment box so that I will tell you each and everything, guys. This is my bonuses, you can see. This is affiliate wizards. Why this bonus I'm providing you? Because just because of this bonus in your content, in your blogs, you can put your some of your affiliate links and something like that. So people will buy some products from your link. Because if you are writing something on particular topic, so related that topic, related that content, you can put some product to sell in your content with product link. Okay, so you will get some sales. So how to do this, all these things you will learn just because of this product, just because of this bonus. Okay, you can say. So this is affiliate wizard, which will help you too much for this journey. Now this is blog for profits. You are already going for blogging and something like that, just because of this tool, which is a smart content profit. So it will be push you more and more to go ahead. Okay, and just because of this, you will increase your efficiency and proficiency again. Okay, now this is third one, which is hashtag trender, so that you can put some tags and something, not tags only, low competition and higher volume tags in your content so that your content will rank. People and visitors will come on your website and you will start getting some profit, some making profit, something like that. From monetization also you will earn. Okay, so these three bonuses I am providing you. Already I provided these bonuses. You have to just click below of your button, which is access your purchase. Below that button, one more button will be in blue color, which is access your bonuses. Just click on that and you will get all these three bonuses. Okay, if you pick up this front end only. Okay, so I already discussed all these things, guys. Okay, video will be too much long, so just because of that I am going to close, and we will meet another time with new and another masterpiece. Till then, bye.